Fresh Group. Established by a visionary entrepreneur, Engineer Mohammad Tawheedur Rahman, CIP, is a fast-growing conglomerate, successfully contributing in the foreign currency earnings of Bangladesh, in the seafood processing and export, as well as knit garment industry. It has now 9 business concerns, with which it is heading towards success after success with daunting ability. Libas Textile is a concern of Fresh Group of companies. Since its inception in 2007, Libas Textiles Ltd has grown into a leading organization in the export-oriented knit garment sector of Bangladesh. Located at Shofipur, Gazipur. Growing year after year, it has gained the trust of buyers all over Europe, North America, Australia, and Asia. As a landmark of excellence, Libas boasts numerous prestigious awards and accolades. Strictly conforming to the gold category requirements of LEED prescribed by USGBC, Libas has undertaken its green commitments. The factory building possesses all the measures and features to ensure safety, security, and decent working environment for the people working here. Few of the features of this green project include using renewable energy, using daylight and fresh air through air ventilation system. Energy-efficient machinery, LED bulbs, and bus bar electric wiring are used here. Preserves rainwater in reservoir and a pond and uses it. The factory premise is ideally poised with enough open space for fresh air, vegetable garden, and native plants. It uses compost manure produced out of ETP for cultivation. As the workers live nearby the factory, they enjoy the ease of going to work on foot or by other green methods of transportation. Libas prioritizes its workers with optimum attention as it feels workers play a greater role in its success. They are provided with canteen and dining facilities, childcare, free medical checkups, free medicines, and maternity facilities are available here. Salaries are given through ATM booth. Fire exits with wide staircases, auto fire pump, fire hydrant, auto sprinkler, PA system, and CCTV camera system, etc. are here. Regular training is organized by Libas Textiles to keep the workforce prepared for health, fire hazards, and effective emergency evacuations. A skill development program is in effect for sustainable growth of all its workers. The Workers' Participation Committee is of utmost importance here. Through this committee, workers' rights and responsibilities are established at the factory. Libas produces high-quality ready-made garments ranging from knit tops and bottoms for all genders of all ages. Libas has captive gas-burn power plants to guarantee uninterrupted power supply for 24 hours a day to all its operations. Exhaust gas boilers EGB with economizers produce extra steam by recovering and reusing the gas generator's exhaust heat. Effluents from the factories are drained to effluent treatment plants where the wastewater gets treated biologically and chemically. It releases clean water by eliminating all hazardous chemicals into the environment. Its dedicated IT system comprises of internet connectivity, enterprise resource planning ERP, involving both fiber network and wireless network. A highly capable merchandising unit with high-tech professional excellence at pre-production preparations solidify smoothest headway towards absolute quality and speed in production. Libas Textile R&D department thrives through innovation and an affinity for fashion. Its expert designers work on mood boards which help develop the initial design. Efficient sample section checks to ensure each piece of apparel is an identical reproduction of the samples approved by the buyers. The management supervises pre-production meetings, detail action plans, and allocates specific jobs to each department. Libas produces world-class knit fabrics in a variety of stitches and gauges, having world's latest and most dependable circular knitting machines. Its production capacity is 15 tons per day. Libas excels in producing jersey in any variety and fleece, polyester, etc. Its dyeing unit has got intensive experience, expertise, and state-of-the-art technology. All results in a clone-like uniformity in achieving the dyeing perfection. Its production capacity of dyeing is 50 tons per day. It has also a washing facility of 8,000 pieces of garments a day. To ensure quality in dyeing, Libas has got top-of-the-line laboratory facility, having wash test, pilling test, color fastness test, shrinkage test, color fastness to light test, and many other most contemporary and highly sophisticated lab testing facilities. For augmenting its apparel further as per the buyer's desire, Libas uses Japanese Tajima machines for embroidery. It stitches 10,000 panels per day. It is also capable of printing any type of specifications in film to screen developments. In 12 colors, Libas can print 30,000 panels of garments a day. Patterns and markers are obtained using cutting-edge computer-aided solutions. The cutting room is equipped with auto fabric relaxing, auto spreader and auto cutting machines to maximize productivity. Libas has got all the special types of sewing machinery in 78 sewing lines necessary to remain ahead in the contemporary knitwear industry worldwide. Its knit garment sewing ensure the ultimate tailoring excellence without compromise. Skilled workforce is working in an ideal environment to produce about 120,000 pieces of high quality and diverse types of knit garments in casual as well as fashion ranges every day. Following ironing and the final finishing touches, the QC is done. Each piece of apparel passes through thorough inspections for quality and metal-free status. At the CT pat enclosure, each apparel is packed carefully in a metal-free environment, again with an inspection to ensure necessary quality. Libas Textiles employs contemporary technology for moisture control. Finished garments are put into a dehumidified condition for a certain period in the packaging section. This ensures that garments do not gather moisture or mold. Furthermore, Libas Textiles provides each buyer with an individual inspection room facility. Thereafter, under constant surveillance, its own logistic fleet carries the export cargoes to the designated destinations on time. Libas has a dream to lead the market through collaboration, quality and reliability, driven by genuine care, sustainability and passionate innovation. It has a spiritual gesture towards its customers, its people and the planet.